Bet you didn't know this. This is a slug. See that yellow stuff? That's literally medicine. Yes, I said it. It's medicine. This little guy is on my eczema. Little spot that I have a flare up right now, and he's doing his work. Also, this little secretion that they leave, this yellow stuff, is a crazy bandage. It will seal up anything. You know when you get a slug on your hand, you go to wash it? I'm going to move him down. Hold on. Okay, you know when you go to wash after you've touched a slug and it's like very slimy and it's hard to get it off? It's because it creates a barrier on the skin. These little slugs, their slime, is actually used internally in China, in some places, to seal up organs, leaky organs in the body. They literally do this. So he's on my eczema right now, doing his wonders, but he keeps going to my bracelet. I think they like shiny shit. Anyhow, don't be afraid of a slug. Everything has purpose. And this little guy's purpose, he's going for the gold, but usually he would be on, see, he was on my eczema, fixing her up. He's getting up on my bracelet now. He's like, he's loving the bedazzle. But I don't have time for this, and I'm putting him back to work on my eczema.